Know what it is, man. It's B, aka Wild Boy Shorty, coming straight at you, man. We gonna get it in the night, you know what I'm saying? Manager B-Day Fast. You already know what it is, man.
Pouring in straight from the top to the bottom. Waist in teeth, big hand, know I got her. Any part of the AK revolvers on sober. And have them squirting out they spots like a fucking dolphin. And then I'm open, running like Randy Moulton. Wildcat formation, what you just saying toast.
10 hours, man.
It usually take us 4 hours to get to New York. It took us 10 hours.
10 hours.
Because we driving like 10 to 15 miles per hour. We seeing tractor trailers spent out on the side of the road.
Hey man, we feel great. You know what it is. We done rolled up in the snow. You already know what it is. With all my peoples and PosseTV and the whole Z floor, let's get it in.
Cost 20 stacks, chain cost 30. Play around, shuffling them niggas like James Worthy.
Just chucking it, man. It's like going all out. You know what I'm saying? So nobody can tell us anything about grind or you ain't pay your dues. We did everything possible that you can do on trying to build this company and this movement. You know what I'm saying?
Right here, we got Fat Mellow coming to you right here, live and direct. About to get ready to shut it down for the W.A.S.T.E Entertainment family. Fat Mellow, what you got to do to say your
For
fame?
that 301 and shit. Rockside. Hey, I'm about to hold it down for that whole DMV. Check me out. Hey, we about to be on real soon. Mark my word.